Alright, today I got a couple of boxes to open. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, so if I put them down, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so let me open up one by one. First one. Open, and these are all small boxes, so should be no Game Boy, just 3DS. There's a cartridge inside, and what game could it be? Alright, DS. Kirby Ultra some star, okay, Superstar Ultra, that could be the name. Alright, Lake Green. Whoa, please. It's a very prosthetic joystick, but the shell is kind of A-OK. And here we got a triple pack. Same? Oh, cool. Alright, so the Lake Green 3DS is largely popular over here. Oh, quite nice. Quite nice. It is largely popular, and now it is restocked. Good news. And I'll come to the next one. Slide open. Again, Lake Green 3DS. Wow, this must be a coincidence. For information, for second hand, it is not really that. Oh, not Lake Green. It's like sky blue. Yeah, my room is kind of poor lighted. Alright, the bottom shell is a bit prosthetic. I'm not sure if you can see the difference between the Lake Green and the sky blue, right? There's small mirror reflection over here, and there's some kind of transition in the color in the painting. Well, for this is the second generation, and the second generation will generally come with 4 GB SD card. 2 GB? Kidding me? Alright, and what else inside here? This kind of huge package. Alright, a bag inside the bag. Bag inside the bag. So I don't need. Okay, this is a charging dock, so nothing surprising. And a third Lake Green 3DS. Oh no, this must be the most boring unboxing video in the entire YouTube. A third Lake Green. Alright. Okay, so I get bored of the 3DS. I will open the rest of the package later. Thanks for watching.